Thank you for joining us today. It's an honor and privilege for us to have you here. What we are going to talk today or we are going to discuss today is about the technological developments that have taken place across the telecommunications sector, which are intended to uplift and elevate the SME sector in terms of their business operations. There are certain products which are like fixed, like a landline connection or a mobile phone in technology, but the new products which are there are all customizable according to your requirements. So they may be a broader category. However, we intend to have products which is apt and appropriate for your organization, your operations. So it's very important for us to know what is happening on the ground, what are the challenges you face, or what are the gaps which in technology we can do so that it is mitigated.
There are some additional features what Tata has introduced, and we have introduced this product. This combination of internet along with security, right? So we have enabled hybrid working solution for various internet needs. It comes with DNS security, right? Your plain vanilla internet lease line, what is being offered by any service provider today, it comes with lot of threat, because the moment you are connected to the cloud, you bring in various hazards around the internet, and thereby you are inviting various security risks. So what we are doing is we are enabling a DNS security features in our platform. This is a Cisco enabled security platform, right? And then we are also providing on top of that a manageability solution on top of the internet. So the entire package what we are able to offer to an end customer is not just the basic connectivity on top of the security within the internet itself, and then we are providing a managed service. These three combinations is giving a seamless experience to the customer. Of course, your basic needs of additional security and your security policies, you will have to go and define it as per your firewall and your own compliances. But this gives you the environment protection at the DNS level, at the cloud level. So this gives you also, if you pay for a 100 Mbps pipe, you will get the 100 Mbps pipe at your router, at your location, rather than you paying for 100 MB and you will only getting 60-70 MB. The rest of the bandwidth is getting choked with all unwanted data.
From here, we can make a click to call option is there. This is for making a single call. You can download SmartFlow app in your mobile phone also, smartphone. From your smartphone also, you can make outgoing calls.
Thank you all for coming. Thank you.